Oh, it's not. It's like pellets.
Huh?
It's like pellets.
Ah, pellet. Okay, pellets. Ah, that's it. That's it. That's it.
Which gun should I do?
This one, no?
Gosh, I have the worst eyesight. I don't. 35?
Yeah, 35. Okay, I record you. Here. No, here. This one should be the shoulder. Like that. Should be in this one. No, not like this. No, it should be this always, and then like that. Yeah, like that.
No, I can't.
No.
No, see, that's too high. Come on, man.
Let me try.
I'm gonna. Let me get at least a while.
Should be like this, yeah?
That's what I tried to do. I
Should not like that.
See, I got it. See, it's like, yeah.
7, 6, 5. Oh, that one hit. 2. Thank you.
I want to try the handgun.
Okay.
Oh, can I get my shooting thing?
Let's ask. I think you have to press, but let's test.
I want to try the handgun.
Yeah.
Did you record?
Yeah, it is recorded.
Send to me later.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Can we get the press it?
No, that was me.
Yeah. And then go to the handgun. Yeah.
Get the handgun. Later when I put that.
Super.
That was good.
Wow, yeah. Look at this. Wow, almost full size.
Yeah, my high score was 7.
Wow. Okay, good.
I'm gonna mark it down.
What's your name?
Yeah. Which one was the right one?